Hello everyone, welcome to this channel once again. My name is Afriyie and today I'm going to show you how to design a login page like what you are seeing on the screen. So let's get into Photoshop and start now. Hello guys, we are in Photoshop and we are about to start. But before we start, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you are old, thanks for joining. Our first thing we are going to do is to create our worksheet, and we do that by pressing Ctrl N on the keyboard like this, Ctrl plus N on the keyboard like this for new documents, or you can press on file and press on new. It's the same thing. So right here we have the width and the height. So the width will be 1802 like this, all in pixels, and the height too will be 3697. So like this. After that, then we press on create. So guys, this is the size of our worksheet. This is how it's going to look like. So guys, what we're going to do next is to draw a rectangle around the worksheet like this. After that, I'm going to change the color to blue like this. Then I'll press on OK. So I have my resources over there. So I'll go in and I'll bring a picture inside. So guys, these are my resources that I'm going to use for the design. So I'll bring this one inside like this and drop it. So I'll open to the suitable size like what you are seeing on the screen. After that, then I'll press on this check mark. What we are going to do is to blur the image small. So we will go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur like this. So we are going to set the radius to 24.5 like this, 24.5. So after that, then you press on OK like this. So this is the picture. So I'll bring the picture in between the rectangle one and the background like this. So I'll move to the rectangle and go to the blending option. Then I'll choose screen like this. So guys, what I'm going to do next is to go to my rectangle shape and choose rectangle. But before that, I will zoom in my work like this. Then I'll start doing it like this. So I'll change the color to yellow like this. Then I'll press on OK. So I will also change the edges to be round like this. So guys, after I'm done with the edges, I will duplicate it to be 3. So I press Ctrl plus J on the keyboard 2 times. Ctrl plus J. But you have to select the selection tool. Ctrl plus J. Ctrl plus like 2 times. So that to be 3. So the first one will be username, and the second one will be email address, and the third one will be password. So I will now position it like this. So this is the email address, and this will be the password. Like this. So guys, after positioning it, I will draw my small box over here like this. Like this, and I'll change the color change the color to blue like this. Then I will draw a different box down here like this. Down here like this. So this will be the sign up box. So I will duplicate it and make it down over here. Then I will select it by pressing Ctrl T on the keyboard, and I will reduce the size this way, or I will delete it and do different square like this. So what I'm going to do now is to change the edges like this. So after that, then I will duplicate this rather by pressing Ctrl plus Alt on the keyboard like this. So this will be the login box, and this will be the register box. So guys, up here will be the instructions on the top, which is the login now. So I'll start typing. And it will be log in now like this. So I will select it and transform it this way like this. So I'll change the color to blue like this. So beneath the login now, I'm going to write, "We are happy to have you with us. We are happy to have you with us," like this. So after that, I will transform it by pressing Ctrl T on the keyboard and make it small this way. So I'll change the font to Arial like this. Then I'll make it bold like this. Then I'll also change the login now to the same Arial like this and make it bold. So after I finish writing the instruction, I will bring in my account logo. So I'll go in for my account logo. So this is my account logo. Then I'll bring it inside like this. So I'll make it small and position it over here like this. So after that, I will duplicate this "We are happy to have you with us" and make it inside over here. So I will write username like this. Then I'll position it up here like this. So I'll do the same thing over here and write email address this one to opposition layer. Then I'll come to the third one. Then I'll do the same thing to the third one. Like this. The third one will be password. Password. Like this. I'll bring it down small. Like this. So now we are here, and I'm going to change this color to yellow. Like this. I'll pick the color from here and press OK. The same thing to this one. I'll pick the color from here like this. So after changing the colors, I will duplicate the password like this and bring it to this small box over here and write remember me. Remember me. Like this. And I also change the color to black like this. So I'll do the same thing over here. I will duplicate this and bring it here and write sign up over here. So I'll press on Ctrl C on the keyboard for transformation like this. This way. I'll also bring it over here for login. I'll make it small. And I will change the color to blue. So I will duplicate the login and bring it here and change it to register. Register like this. So guys, I'll come up here. So up here I'm going to bring in my logo, which will be here, the company logo, which will be here. So guys, this is the logo, and I'll bring it up here like this. I'll make it small. This way. So guys, this is how to design a login page in Photoshop. So guys, we are going to use it in Mockup. Some may ask, what is Mockup? A Mockup is an image with an editable layers that allows you to show what a product will look like. Without wasting much time, I will bring in my Mockup file. This is the Mockup file, and I downloaded it online at Afriyie. So the link will be posted in the description below if you want to try your hands on it, or if you want to use it, you can try your hands on it. Guys, let's start something. The Mockup file has its own layers already. So over here we have the layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and the background layer. So this is the background layer. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to select the layer 1 like this, and this is the smart object. So what I'm going to do next is to double click on the smart object like this, and it will open a different page for me. So let's wait and see. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is what we just saw on the Mockup file. This is what we just saw on the Mockup file. So guys, what we're going to do now is to off the layer like this, and we're going to bring in the login page we created. So I'm just going to bring it inside. So here is the file, then I'll just drop it inside. So let's wait for it to finish rendering. Then I'll press this check mark like this. Okay, so guys, after this we are not done. So you have to go to file and save it first. You can press on Ctrl+S on the keyboard for you to save, or you can go to file and press save like this. So then you can see that it is saving. You can see that it is saving over here. So we are going to wait it for it to save. Then we move to the next step. So we can all see that it has finished saving over here. So we go to file again and close it. So as soon as I close this page, the page will be no more. The page will be no more. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. I close it. Wow! So this is our login page, and we can all see that after inserting the login page, login form into the phone, you can decide to change the background color, or you can decide to change the background color. So guys, this is how to use Mockup file in Photoshop. If it was helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel and like. Thank you.